Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best straight flute taps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best straight flute taps. Hand taps are straight flute cutting tools which create or repair threads on the inside of a hole. Taper taps, roughing taps, are suitable for starting precision or difficult holes, because they have more chamfers over threads than a plug tap to distribute cutting force over more teeth. Plug taps have less taper, with a bottoming tap in a blind hole. Bottoming taps almost no taper. Number 5. Drill America DWTS 6x1M 6x1 4-flute hand tap. High-speed steel hand taps come in 3 styles. Taper style starts the thread square with the workpiece. Generate the thread to the bottom. Main features: high-speed steel hand taps. Hand taps are popular, generally used in through holes. Number 4. 20 pieces M12 metric straight flute hand tap sets. Monitors are not calibrated same, in photos may be showing slightly different from the real object. Please take the real one as standard. The screw thread tap is straight flute. Main features: easy to carry, made of alloy steel, metric system. Number 3. Metric thread tap 20 pieces M8 alloy tool steel tap straight flute. The hand tap is suitable for processing iron, steel, copper. Practical M8 hand tap, suitable for stainless steel, iron and other drilling, aluminum, die steel and stainless steel. Main features: high quality, easy to store, widely used. Number 2. Metric thread tap, 4 pieces M27 alloy tool steel tap straight flute. Small and convenient, small size and store, straight flute screw tap is great for drilling and tapping, convenient, time. The thread tap has a good applicability. Main features: high quality, easy to use, strong and more durable. Number 1. UXL metric hand tap M12 thread 1.25 pitch 4 straight flutes. Taper style starts the thread square with the workpiece. Hand tap is used to rethread damaged or jammed threads. Main features: mainly used for hand. Width 7.5 mm. Total length 61 mm. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.